Hi guys, welcome back to RK's Home Cooking. Today I'm going to cook one of the Indian snack. It's named called Bhaji. Some people call it pakora. It's originally come from Indian subcontinent. I am making 3 different type of bhajis: onion bhaji, plantain bhaji, and vegetable bhaji. Few ingredients are on my table here. 175 gram flour. It's actually chickpea flour. Some people call it basin flour. 1 teaspoon fennel seeds, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon grounded coriander, half teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon chili, and curry leaf. Vegetables are here: plantain to make a plantain bhaji, carrot, peas, cabbage, onion, green chili, salt, and 1 egg. So let's start to make bhaji. For the vegetable bhaji and onion bhaji, slice the onion very thinly. Cabbage also sliced thin as possible I can. Pinch of salt. First I mix the onion. Salt bring it this onion soften. It's very crunchy the moment. Leave it about 15 to 20 minutes. Cabbage. That's all done. The plantain, not many people know how to cut the plantain. Just take it off the top and bottom and slice thin as possible. You can have penny size. Straight to dip it in the water. Because the plantain changed color, that's the reason put it in the water. It's a banana. To make a batter for the 3 bhajis. 1 egg. It's normal water. No need too much to mix. Using a balloon whisk. Paste first, otherwise lump will be stay there. Keep adding a little bit more water. It's really pasty. Turmeric, all in. Chili powder, coriander. Mix again. You don't need to be very runny like a pancake mix. Just thicken because need to hold. The vegetable have a water contain. No need too much thicker. Make sure you're making that consistency. Little bit salt. Remember, don't add too much turmeric. The reason they can change color to more darker when you fry. A little bit asafoetida. It's a little a touch. That do. Giving a natural taste. And the smell is amazing now already. Wow. Half liter oil is a deep fry. As a vegetable oil I'm using. Fire. Until get really hot. Then start to make the plantain bhaji. The reason I'm not adding any spice. Check the oil temperature. 85, 90, 100. Brilliant. It's all ready. All the plantains go in there. Fry. Nicely. Let's go there. If you cut too thick, not really nice. That's the reason I cut it a penny thickness. This is exactly like a banana fritters, but the flour is a gram flour. Banana fritters can use rice flour or plain flour. Try not to stick together. So just to keep moving the oil gently. The bhajis are not completely ready, but I'm taking out. Refry again, nice and crispy. In India, some people don't add egg, they fry straight away because they are completely vegetarian. But here, I'm adding the egg to give an extra taste and crunchiness. 2 mixes here. Using this one, a little bit flour in there, for the onion. You can see the onion is very softened now after I add the salt. Mix half of that cumin, half of the fennel, the chili. I slice a little bit. It's only optional. Some people like. I like some chili taste. Curry leaf, giving that really nice taste. That is for onion bhaji. Oil again. I like to make my onion bhaji very thin, not too thick. This is a ground flour. You have to cook properly. Gently in the oil. It is a cumin and the fennel giving you a crunch when it's fried. Really nice. I love bhaji, but again it's a fried in oil, so it's a treat sometime. Onion bhajis. Oh, it's the curry leaf is one of the beautiful aromatic flavor, and the taste is beautiful. Bhajis are nearly ready. I have to turn around and look. Keep turning because it doesn't fry unless you do that. That is nicely done. Great. I'm really looking forward to this. So long I didn't have a bhaji. Vegetable bhaji, old chili in cabbage. It's the salt. It's bringing them really soft. Peas, carrot, curry leaf again, cumin, and again mix. Look at that. Vegetable bhaji. Exactly same the way I did the onion bhaji. I don't want to be too like a tennis ball shape. Thinner, better. Gently in. You won't get confused which one is onion, which one is vegetable. You can easily just see and spot them because the peas and the color. Vegetable bhaji ready to come out. Going to fry again, I told you earlier. Fried and the crunchiness. That's important in bhaji, not soggy inside. Making the oil really extra hot. It's a second fry. It's very quick fry. Vegetable bhaji first. Let's take a minute. Have some tissue there to blot the oil. Less oil. Onion bhaji go back again. Onion bhaji ready. Next, the last one is a plantain to fry again. Plantain bhaji. Time to plate up Indian snack. I'm really looking forward. Put the plantain first. Plantain bhaji. And onion bhaji. Vegetable bhaji. Onion bhaji again. And one vegetable. Snack to have a go with a tea, coffee. Normally this bhaji eat with a really chili, hot chili sauce or pepper sauce. Ketchup, mango chutney you can use, mint sauce you can use. Some people use yogurt. Thank you for watching RK's Home Cooking. See you next time with a different video. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment and like. Bye bye and take care.